For the second time in less than a week, FDLE is investigating a shooting at a Central Florida Walmart involving a deputy and a person accused of shoplifting. Last night on East Colonial Drive, an Orange County deputy shot a man who the sheriff says had a shopping cart of merchandise and did not listen to commands. This comes after the Osceola County Sheriff's Office identified 16-year-old Jairus Jones as the teen who was shot and killed at a Walmart in Poinciana just last week. Western investigative reporter Justin Schecker is live for us at that Walmart, breaking down both of these investigations. Justin.
Well, first, Stu, the suspect from Orange County is facing charges and his injuries were not considered life-threatening. While the circumstances surrounding these two shootings at a Walmart are quite different, it is standard for FDLE to step in and investigate when a deputy shoots a suspect. Questions still remain about what exactly happened before an off-duty Osceola Sheriff's deputy shot and killed 16-year-old Jairus Jones inside a Poinciana Walmart last Thursday. Sheriff Chris Blackman says a Walmart employee told the off-duty deputy working security that 3 suspects had merchandise concealed in their clothing and they were trying to leave without paying.
The loss prevention officer and our deputy attempted to meet those men at the front of the store, and when they did, one of the gentlemen took off running, had a gun in his hand. Our deputy fired downrange at the suspect and took him out.
The witness who shared this video with West 2 News says he heard multiple gunshots. The video clearly shows a pair of slides a few feet from Jones's body, but the witness says he did not see a gun near the teen as he was bleeding out. FDLE is now also investigating an Orange County Sheriff's deputy shooting an accused shoplifter outside a Walmart on East Colonial Drive Sunday night.
He encountered the man on East Colonial Drive wearing a ski mask and pushing a shopping cart full of merchandise from the Walmart.
Sheriff John Mina says the deputy first used his taser, but that didn't neutralize the suspect.
Our deputy can be heard saying, "Don't reach, don't reach, don't reach," 3 times, and then our deputy fires his service weapon at the suspect, striking him several times.
Deputies say they found these 2 knives at the scene. Sheriff Mina says 48-year-old Jason Beal is being charged with robbery with a deadly weapon and resisting with violence.
So Beal also has an extensive criminal history throughout multiple counties in the state of Florida. Most recently, he was arrested by the Orlando Police Department for aggravated battery with a deadly weapon.
Court records show Beal was released from jail in early February, 33 days after his arrest for a stabbing attack last September.
It's disappointing because this is a person that's going to hurt someone eventually. He stabbed someone, last year and was released on his own recognizance.
State Attorney Monique Worrell says in a statement, if charges are not filed within that time frame, the court is required to release the individual. That is not a policy decision, that is state law. And Osceola County deputies have identified another juvenile and a man in his 20s who got away from this Walmart here in Poinciana. So far, they have not been arrested. A defense attorney told me they could be charged with felony murder. The state would need to prove the 16-year-old was shot and killed during the commission of a felony crime, such as a robbery. Michelle, back to you.